Hello friends, myself Divyanshu Sharma and I'm a second year student of MIT Law University, Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh. And my today's topic is trademark, and in present I am working as a legal intern with Lexis and Company. So what is trademark? Trademark is a branch of intellectual property rights. Intellectual property rights permits people to maintain ownership right of their innovative product and creative activity. The intellectual property came to light because of the effort of human labor. So it is limited by a number of charges for registration and charges for infringements. Type of intellectual property are trademark, copyright act, patent act, and design act. These are the types of intellectual property. A trademark include a number or include a name or a word, include a name, word or sign that differentiate goods from goods of other company, from other enterprises, and marketing of goods or service by the uh, procedure uh, procedure becomes a financing tool, uh, and trademark because recognition of product with the trademark is assured and easier. The owner can prevent the use of his mark or sign by another competitor. Trademark is marketing tool which increases financing of the business. A trademark is not always a brand, but the brand is always a trademark. That's a big thing. That a trademark is not always a brand, but a brand is always a trademark. Sometimes there is a confusion between trademark and brand. The brand can be simply a symbol or logo, but the trademark is a distinguishing sign or indicator in a business organization, as it has a wider implication than brand. People are more influenced by the distinctive trademark that reflects the quality of the product. A trademark can be a logo, picture, mark, or a sign. Trademark law in India. Before 1940, there was no law on trademark in India. A number of problems of infringement of registered and unregistered trademark arose, which were resolved under Section 54 of the Specific Relief Act 1877 and Registration Act 1908 and Specific Relief Act 1877 and a registration adjudicated under the Indian Registration Act 1900. Trademark law was replaced with the Trademark and Merchandise Act 1958, and the previous act got replaced with the Trademark Act 1999 by the government of by complying it sorry complying it with TRIPS, trade related aspects of intellectual property rights. Obligation recommended by the World Trade Organization. The aim of a trademark act to grant the condition on the property and also provide the legal remedies for the implementation of the trademark right. And types of trademark is a service mark, collective mark, and a certification mark, or trade dress, essentials of trade dress, designation of trade. Now, designation of trademark, use of trademark. We can say the trademark identify the owner of the product. Under any authorized agreement of a product, a trademark can be used. An example of trademarks goods name as iPod and a Big Mac. Company logo like Golden Arcs at McDonald's and McDonald's. I am loving with it. Brand name like Apple, McDonald's, and Dolls and Gabbana. The usage of the trademark by unauthorized means or illegal means by producing it in trading is known as trademark privacy. If there is an infringement of trademark, the owner of the registered trademark can take legal action, and for an unregistered trademark, the only option is passing off. Many countries like the United States, Canada, and many more also accept the trademark policy. So they also give the right to the master of product to take the action for the prosecution of their trademark. So here we end our topic. So hope friends that you liked my video, and if you have any problem related to the topic, please let me know in the comment section. I will try to figure out your problem, and don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Thank you and have a nice day.